Hello friends, how to solve this type question? These two numbers multiplying with each other. 9 times 9 81, 81 plus 1. So here 82, 82 by 9 multiplying with 3 times 10 plus 1. 3 times 10 is 30, 30 plus 1, 31, 31 by 3 multiply. So here 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2. Next step is rearrange this fraction. 82 by 9 and multiplying with 11 by 2 multiplying with 31 by 3. Here this denominator cancel with this numerator. 2 1 times 2 and 2 4 times 8, 2 ones times 2. Now 41 by 9 multiplying with 11 by 1 multiply with 31 by 3. Friends, numerator multiplying each other and denominator multiplying with each other. So here 41 multiply by 11. 41 multiply by 11, 1 times 1 1, 1 times 4 4, 1 times 1 1, 1 times 4 4, add each other 1, 4 plus 1 5 and 4. Here multiply with 31 because numerator multiplying with each other. 1 times 1 1, 1 times 5 5, 1 times 4 4. Here 3 1 times 3 3, 5 times 15, 1 here, and 3 4 times 12 plus 1 13, and again add with each other. 1 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 5 9, 3 and 1 3, 13,981 divided by 27. This 27 comes from here. 9 times 1 9 and 9 times 3 27. Now this is improper fraction and this improper fraction convert with the mixed fraction. So here we will solve this question. 13,981, sorry, 1 is here. 13,981 and divided by 27. 27 5 times 135, subtract 9, 5 subtract from 9, here 4, 3 subtract from 3, nothing remaining, and 8 comes here. 27 1 times 27, again subtract 7, subtract from 8 1, 2 subtract from 4 2, and 1 come here. So friends, 27 multiply by 7. Now the answer is 189. Again subtraction, this is 1 and 1 is here. 11 minus 9 2, and here is remaining 0, 1's carrying here 10 8 subtract from 10, here is 2, so there is 22. Mixed fraction is 517 whole 22 by 27. The next answer is this. So this type question solve with this method. Please friends, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.